Good morning, students. Standard 5, Subject Science, Bridge Course. Listen, air. Air is present everywhere around us. Though we cannot see it, we can feel it. Air is a mixture of gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and hydrogen. These gases act as an envelope around the earth and from the atmosphere. It is the presence of atmosphere that makes the earth a suitable place for living. Next, atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a layer of gases, which is called the atmosphere. It is composed mainly of nitrogen 78% and oxygen 21%. Other gases like carbon dioxide and argon compress 1% of the atmosphere by volume. The atmosphere is like a blanket that surrounds the earth. It protects the earth from getting too cold or too hot. Atmosphere is divided into 5 different layers. The layers from the bottom upwards are called troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. This is layers of Earth atmosphere. First one, troposphere. Then next second one, stratosphere. Third one, mesosphere. Fourth one, thermosphere. And last one, exosphere. First, troposphere. The troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere. From the sea level, it extends up to about 10 kilometers. It is the densest layer and almost 75% of the air in the atmosphere is found in this layer. This layer also has water vapor. We live in the troposphere and most of the weather, clouds, rain, snow, it found in this layer. All weather changes also occur in this layer. The next second layer is stratosphere. It extends from the top of the troposphere to about 50 kilometers above the ground. The ozone layer found in this layer absorb harmful ultraviolet rays. Harmful ultraviolet rays or UV rays, which can cause us damage to our skin and eyes. There is no water vapor in this layer. The temperature in this layer is around minus 550 degrees Celsius. Third one, mesosphere. The region above the stratosphere is called the mesosphere. It extends upward to a height of about 85 kilometers from the ground. The temperature in this layer decreases with height and it is minus 1100 degrees Celsius. Most of the meteors found in the sky burn in this layer. The next fourth layer is thermosphere. The layer of very rare air above the mesosphere is called the thermosphere. It is found above the mesosphere. The next last layer is exosphere. The outermost layer of the atmosphere is called the exosphere. It lies between 400 and 2,500 lesson air worksheets. Worksheet 1. Label the layers of the atmosphere using word box. Then next worksheet 2. This is worksheet 2. Click only on those pictures that causes air pollutions.